Hello guys, review POCO C65. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB storage. Open box, look completion, device in completion of course in the dark blue color, and Type-C cable, adapter for charging we have in completion. Okay. On the right side, power button and wall buttons. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone. Upside, headphones jack. Turn on device. Okay, device turn on. Open settings, look. Android version. We have MIUI Global 14.0.6 and Android 13. Close this. Look, benchmarks. Open Geekbench 6. We have MediaTek MT6769 and GPU Mali G52. Look results. Single core score and multi-core score results. And GPU test results. Okay, look onto the benchmark. Undo the benchmark, okay. Results, close this. And run PUBG Mobile. Look, this game works on the medium graphic level. Okay, look, camera. Photo, video, and 50 megapixels mode. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.